a chemical cell. How does a chemical cell work? Take an example of zinc-copper chemical cell. We have two beakers with solutions. Inside each of them, we have an electrode. One electrode is zinc. It is a metal plate put into zinc sulfate solution. Another electrode is copper. It is also a metal plate put into copper 2 sulfate solution. These two electrodes are connected by an external wire, and a voltmeter is used to measure the direction of the flow of electrons. During the reaction, you can see the pointer of voltmeter defects due to the electrons flow from zinc to copper electrode. In order for this to happen, we also need a salt bridge to complete the circuit. A salt bridge is actually a filter paper soaked with salt solution, usually potassium nitrate solution. So, why do the electrons flow from left to right? What is actually happening in each beaker? As zinc is more reactive than copper, zinc will give out electrons more readily, more easily than copper to form zinc ions, which go into the solution. Zinc is being oxidized to form zinc ion by losing electrons, represented by this oxidation half reaction. We have a special name for zinc electrode called anode. Zinc electrode is also called anode because oxidation is happening here. In that beaker, copper 2 ions from the solution, copper 2 sulfate solution, move towards the copper electrode, and here to gain electrons to form reddish brown solid copper and deposit on the surface of copper electrode. Copper 2 ion is being reduced by gaining electrons, by accepting electrons to form copper metal, represented by this equation. This half reaction is called reduction half reaction equation, represent here. Again, we have a special name for copper electrode called cathode. Because reduction is happening here. Since electrons are bumping out from zinc to copper through the external wire, so here, zinc electrode is now becoming negatively charged. So also, we can call this electrode is negative electrode. And electrons flowing to copper electrode. Copper electrode is now becoming positively charged. So here, also called positive electrode. by combining these two half reaction, these two half equation, zinc is becoming zinc ion, copper 2 ion to form copper. By combining these two equations, deleting the electrons, so we can get an overall chemical reaction in this chemical cell. Zinc and copper 2 ions we add to form zinc ion and copper metal. Zinc is becoming zinc ion, copper 2 ions become copper. So in this chemical cell, they react together, and at the same time, electrical energy is generated. And this equation is called redox, because there are oxidation and reduction in the reaction. So in a conclusion, chemical energy is changed into electrical energy in a chemical cell. So how to memorize which one is which? For me, I will use red cat. Reduction occurs in this area, so this electrode is called cathode. And odd N. Red cat or N. Oxidation happens in zinc electrode. Zinc electrode is also called anode or N, red cat. Last but not the least, the observation. In this beaker, on the left-hand side, zinc electrode will gradually dissolve. The mass of zinc electrode decreases. On the right-hand side, in that beaker, reddish brown solid, which is copper, will be formed and deposit on the surface of this copper electrode. So this copper electrode, the mass of this copper electrode increases. Also, after a period of time, the solution, the color, the intensity of blue solution will be decreased. The blue solution will become paler after some time because the concentration of copper 2 ion decreases in the reaction.